Hello there! Today I will show you how to navigate ChatGPT, a platform that millions of people are talking about. ChatGPT is a fairly new website developed by OpenAI that serves as a dialogue-based artificial intelligence chatbot capable of understanding and responding in human language. It's been out for a couple of weeks now and has earned a lot of positive criticism from its users. ChatGPT offers a variety of functions that can be used to help you out with a lot of everyday tasks, such as writing essays, articles, songs, or even coding. Today, I will be showing you how to sign up on this miraculous platform and use it in its full potential. Our first step should be entering the site's URL. Open your search bar and type www.openai.com. Once your page has loaded, you should see a black banner on top of it saying Introducing ChatGPT Research Release. To make your account, click Try, and you'll be given two options to either log in or sign up. As I don't have my account, I'll click Sign Up. Once you've done that, you will need to enter your email address, password, first and last name, complete reCAPTCHA, and verify your email and phone number. I will skip through that and meet you once we've entered the chat box. Voila! We've successfully reached the ChatGPT's chat box. Once you're here, you should be able to see three columns: examples, capabilities, and limitations. This is when your needs and imagination come through. On the very bottom, there is a text box, and that's where you'll be writing your questions and requests for the AI bot. I will start with one of the examples provided by ChatGPT itself. We will ask the bot to explain us quantum computing in simple terms. Once we've entered our request, click the arrow on the right of the text box and wait for the response. As I said at the beginning, ChatGPT can also write essays based on keywords, names, or topics. Take a look at it quickly, providing me with an essay about Jane Austen. You can also use it as a search engine for simple questions, such as my question about iPhone XR's release date. ChatGPT can also write you a song using the style of any artist you ask for. You can also get different answers based off of your age. Watch it give me a dumbed down answer about school. What impressed me the most is its capability to code in any language you want. Let's see how it responds to my question about a Python game. In conclusion, this platform offers so many things that can definitely make technology easier to use. What I showed in this video is only a tiny bit of what ChatGPT is capable of. There are many more useful things to try out, such as finding bugs in a code, make posts and tweets in someone else's manner, rewriting code into completely different programming languages, explaining complicated topics, getting ideas for gifts, creating shopping lists, and so much more. I really hope this tutorial made you learn something new. I'll see you next time.